In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to create Excel formulas step by step. If you've ever struggled to remember the exact syntax for a formula, this workflow will save you time and reduce errors. First, open ChatGPT in your browser or the mobile app. Give it a second to load so everything's ready to go. Once it's open, tap the chat box so you can start typing. This is where you'll tell ChatGPT what you need, just like you would explain it to a colleague. Next, describe what you want the Excel formula to do in plain, specific language. The clearer your description, the better the result. Share the goal and the context, what columns you're working with, what type of data you have, and what outcome you expect. For example, you might say you need total sales for a specific region, count unique IDs, pull the latest date for a customer, or match a product code to a price. Adding a quick example of input and the output you expect can help ChatGPT infer the right function. Be sure to include cell ranges and conditions. This is critical. Specify exact ranges like A2, A100, or entire columns like BB, and list any criteria, such as matching a region name, filtering by a date range, or ignoring blanks. Mention whether you want absolute references, like $100 if you plan to copy the formula down. If you're using named ranges or tables, include those names. Also note any version constraints, such as avoiding newer functions if you're using an older Excel version. Now ask ChatGPT to create the formula. You can say, please write the Excel formula for this, and if helpful, ask for a brief explanation. ChatGPT will propose one or more options, often suggesting functions like SumIFS, CountIS, XLOOKUP, index match, or filter depending on your description. Review the formula carefully before you paste it into Excel. Check separators, since some locales use semicolons instead of commas. Confirm that ranges align with your data and that references are anchored where needed. If you're on an older version of Excel, make sure the suggested function is supported. Test the formula with a few rows to verify it returns the expected results. If the result isn't quite right, ask ChatGPT to modify it. Request adjustments like adding another condition, switching to a different function, handling errors with iFerror, or simplifying the logic. Iterate until the formula matches your needs. Follow these steps and you'll turn complex Excel tasks into quick, reliable prompts with formulas you can trust.